Well, listen to this. The number of women drinking dangerous amounts of alcohol is dramatically rising here in the U.S. According to a report from the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, more than 72,000 women died from alcohol-related incidents in 2017. Here to discuss this very sobering topic from the McAlister Institute is CEO Jeanne McAlister. Welcome.
Thank you.
The numbers are terrifying because, I mean, first of all, we're talking big numbers. But I think the takeaway that I got from this report is how the numbers are rising so dramatically, doubling in just a span of a few years.
Absolutely. And it seems like because we're more liberated, I know in my day when I drank, you know, we mostly drank in the bedroom and we weren't out in public, but now it's okay. And I think a lot of women try to drink like a man. And we metabolize alcohol differently than men do. And I think it is more dangerous for us to drink large amounts, yeah.
Let's talk about some of the numbers. And I think we have, my producer was just telling us that we have a board with some of the contents. In 2017, 72,558 deaths. In 1999, let's put that in comparison, there was 35,000 deaths. So along with trying to drink like a man and be more social about drinking, what are some other trends that you see from women today?
Well, I think that using alcohol or other drugs is sort of like a socializing thing, that it's very social. Let's go have a drink, not let's go have a cup of coffee or let's go eat. It's let's go have a drink. And I don't think that people recognize when they have a problem, and that they're not aware that alcohol is a drug in itself, and that you cannot predict whether you're going to become addicted until you drink or use a drug, and then it takes over, and then you just it goes from there.
Do you feel that, you know, you're almost shamed? You can't admit that you have a problem, more so for a woman than a man?
Absolutely. It still is there that women are different, and well, we are.
Sure.
And that we should act a certain way and be in control. But also, we have so many, women have so much stress now. They, you know, at one time, women stayed home, took care of the children, cooked the food, and that sort of thing. But today, they hold down a job, they work, they take care of the children, and they take care of the household. And that's a lot of pressure. So we may be drinking more because of that. You know, I'm a recovering alcoholic. I celebrated 63 years clean and sober.
Congratulations. That is wonderful news.
And so you don't have to add. That makes me 87 and a half, all right?
You're gorgeous.
Thank you. But would want people to know that if they recognize any, you know, like gulping, saying that you're going to go to dinner and not show up, and those kind of things are all signs, early signs of alcoholism.
What did it take for you to decide you had a problem and you didn't want to live like this anymore?
I accidentally went to a 12-step program. But today we have many treatment centers, many things that are offered and ways that you can find help. I'm going to give out my phone number because I always do, and I always expect to call and get them, and I like them. It's 619-987-6393. I can direct you to the right place to get some help.
So if somebody is listening and they just jotted that number down really quickly, 619-987-6393, what would you say to them as why they need to call you and why they need to start talking about it?
Because alcohol is causing them trouble in their life in any way, shape, or form. You don't have to go all the way to the bottom. You can stop earlier.
Well, first of all, congratulations on your decades of being sober. Could you say you would make it to this point had you not been sober?
Absolutely not. I was close to death myself.
Wow. Very sobering. Sobering information, Jeanne. Keep up the good work, and I hope someone calls you. I hope somebody gets help tonight.
I hope they do, too, because recovery does work.
Amen, girl. Thank you so much.
Thank you.